Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can set the auto power off on your Samsung Smart TV. So this is the function that detects the TV when there's no use on the TV. So the TV will auto power off after 4 hours, 6 hours or 8 hours depend on your selection. Okay, so I select it to 4 hours. And now your TV is after 4 hours of no use, the TV will auto power off. Okay, to go to that setting, first of all, if you are on the home screen like this, press to the left button until you can see the word setting, select on it. So I hope you can use the TV left, right, down, up, and the middle is the selection. Okay, so now press select to the setting, and now go to general, select on it, and now you can go to eco solution, select on it, and on the lowest button, this is the button that I show you at the first time of the video, select on it. And if you just want to turn off that function, check it to off. And if you want to change it to 4 hour, 6 hour or 8 hour, it depends on your selection. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can set the auto power off to your Samsung Smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.